Hello, this is Byron, and thank you for joining me for another home bodyweight workout. This one is going to be an ab blaster, okay, an ab and oblique blaster suite of exercises, in which I'm going to mix aerobics and also, ab exercises like strength training, fat burning exercises. So one of my favorites is always the chair crunches because they're so easy to do with a common chair or the end of the bed or whatever, what have you. I'll start with the obliques and then move into some aerobics exercises. So this is very easy to do. 10 minutes, under 15 minutes, you're done. You've gotten a really good fat burning workout in the meantime. So again, with the chair crunches, you can put your feet at different positions. You can sort of straight up and down. Like a normal sitting position, you can have your feet out a little further. You just bring your feet straight up, or you can have them even further out, and that's really challenging. Okay, all right. Today what I'm going to do is, since I haven't done them in a while, is just do the straight up and down, the legs straight up and down. My feet are in more or less a standard sitting position, and I just lift straight up like so, okay? And then to target the obliques, so to move the feet side to side, and then bring the foot back, okay? And then back to the standard crunch. Just make sure you keep your form straight as you're doing them, okay? So I'm going to start with that, and then I'm going to move into some aerobics / ab exercises. All I'm doing is I'm kicking my feet side to side as I'm doing them. Excellent ab exercise. You swing your hips, move your feet from side to side. Then I'll move into these. Again, this is, in addition to working your abs, also a good aerobic workout. Okay. And then I can switch to call these the Apsara. Like a Cambodian Khmer Apsara dancer. So you just kind of move your leg up to the side to really target the obliques, and then you move your hands to the side to help balance you. Okay, and that's just a really nice little ab workout. Targets the obliques. Okay, then I add the next one. Okay, this one, I lift my knee to my elbow. Not my elbow to my knee to my elbow. This is good for the abs, good for the obliques, good for the heart, That's a good thing about, when you work your abs, you can also work your, get a nice aerobic workout at the same time if you choose your exercises wisely. Okay, so I'm going to move right back into the crunches. Okay, so as you're doing these exercises together, you're really just multiplying the benefits to your fat burning as well as muscle definition and strength training and strength building, I should say. Okay, so as you do them, you notice they get a little more difficult as you keep going. And you can just hold it, hold it on the last couple there. All right, so let's move right back into the Swing your feet back and forth. Okay. Get that little exercise in there. Really burn fat around those abs, you know, as you get your aerobic workout. Okay. Then down. Just kind of lift your knees up as high as you can. Lift your arms up, opposite arm to help balance yourself. And just really get a nice aerobic workout at the same time you're burning some fat. Okay, move right into the Apsara. Okay, and then lift your knees up, your elbows. And you can do these, moving your legs out a little bit farther, you know, to target the obliques. Or, you know, you can just lift your legs straight up too. So you can do it with your, you know, excuse me, this one, that one. Okay, with my leg kind of at an angle going that way. Or I can just do it with my legs, just lift my legs straight up. Like so. And twist your body. You do them out at an angle to add a little bit more benefit to the workout. Again, you're not putting your elbow down to your knee. You're lifting your knee up to your elbow. All right. So again, this is just moving back and forth from one exercise to the other too. It's an ab suite. It's an ab oblique suite of different exercises to really, you know, to get the aerobics and also the ab and oblique workout. All right, so right back into the crunch. Okay, side to side. Okay. Whew. Yeah, it's a very nice suite of exercises for your abs. Really targets the area, targets it well. Okay. All right. So getting a little tight there, a little bit difficult in that way. So let's go back into this. Okay. Again, swinging my hips from side to side and swinging my foot to the opposite side. Okay. All right, and then up, arms up, knees up as high as they'll go, arms up. Okay. Okay. Move right into the Apsara. Just kind of lifting my hands up in the Apsara position. At the same time, I'm lifting my leg up to the side. Okay. And then, again, lifting the knees up to the elbows. Knees to elbows. This is a little bit more advanced because some people are not able to get their knees all the way up to their elbows. It's a little bit of practice. But it's very good for your abs. And it's a very good aerobic workout at the same time. Good for stretching and flexibility. All right, so let's go right back into the chair crunches. Okay. Okay. Definitely a worthwhile exercise. Okay. All right, so I'm getting pretty tired in that way. So I'm going to do one more quickie here. Some additional aerobics. Okay. And you can just keep going as long as you can. If you're a woman, you know, you really want to lose weight, this is a fantastic way to do it. You know, you can just do aerobics at home, work out the midsection, work out the upper body, okay? Relax. Okay, and then back to this one. Okay, knees up to elbows. Knees up to elbows. Okay. And that will burn fat for hours later. All right, so that is it. That is quite an exhausting, ab suite. Leaving me breathless. Okay, so I'm pretty well reached that point. So anyway, that is a very good. If you do all of those together, then you're not only getting a good aerobics workout, as I mentioned. You're also getting a great midsection ab workout. It really tightens up the area, gives you some nice definition. It only takes me 10, 11 minutes, I'm looking at the clock and it's about, it's still under 12 minutes. And I feel like I got a nice workout. Geez, I've woken up, I'm ready to go. And it's, it's so easy to do at home. You get your chair out, you listen to some music, you do what you have to do, you watch television, you listen to some motivational videos or something like that. And just get to it in the morning, before you go to work or whatever, while you're sitting at home. Fantastic ab workout to get you nice and fit around the belly and, make you look good for that special someone or whatever, It's a fantastic workout. So everybody, please stay motivated to work out at home. Man, it's so easy. There's no excuses, there's no excuses. If you really want to get fit, if you really want to, be in a good shape, no matter what age you are. That's the way to do it. Just do it at home. Anyway, especially since a lot of the gyms are closed due to coronavirus. So thank you very much. And this is Byron signing off. Everyone stay motivated to work out at home. Do your best. And everyone stay strong out there. And thank you for joining me. Bye-bye. See you next time.